So, good day, sir. I am the Alaya Collection. I'm gonna present to you the background of our assessment. So, the title of our assessment is Assessment of the Naive Pattern Search Algorithm. So, next. So, what is in the background of our assessment? So, in the background of our assessment, we can find the following: the meaning of pattern search algorithm, the use of its algorithm, the kinds of the pattern search algorithm, what is the naive pattern search algorithm, and how naive algorithm works. So first, we're gonna discuss about the meaning of the pattern search algorithm. So in our background of the assessment, we have the introduction, which we tackle about the pattern search algorithm, its abouts, and the use of its algorithm. So I'm gonna discuss few of the meaning of pattern search algorithm. So pattern searching is a critical task in computer science, particularly in the fields of data, structures, and algorithm. It involves identifying and locating a specific sequence of characters known as a pattern or substring within a larger text or string. So that's some of the that is the meaning of the pattern search algorithm. So upon searching about knowing what really pattern searching are, we found that it has different kinds of pattern search algorithm, and upon knowing that's all of this kind, we choose to really discuss about the naive pattern algorithm. So a naive pattern search algorithm is a kind of pattern search algorithm we discuss. So what is the naive pattern searching algorithm? So also refers to as brute force or simple matching algorithm. Exemplifies the basic approach to this problem. It is the most straightforward and intuitive method for pattern searching. So the naive pattern searching mostly uses in searching such kind of text. For example, Facebook. If you search about F, it has so many words or phrase that will text that gonna display, and upon typing all the words Facebook, you're going to find exactly the word that you are searching for. So that's how naive algorithm works. So I'm gonna algorithm overview. So in initial position, the algorithm starts by aligning the pattern with the beginning of the text. In the comparison, it compares each character of the pattern with the corresponding character in the text. Match check: if all the characters in the pattern match the corresponding character in the text, the algorithm records the current position as a match. And slide and repeat: the algorithm then slides the pattern one position to the right and repeats the comparison process until it has checked all the possible position in the text. That's how I explained how I explain about the Facebook word when you are searching. So this also, despite its inefficiency, the naive pattern search algorithm is an important starting point for learning about pattern search techniques. It helps in understanding the basic concepts and challenges involved in pattern searching, paving the way for studying more sophisticated algorithms like the Knott-Morris-Pratt algorithm, the Boyer-Mori algorithm, and others, which offer improved efficiency and performance. That's another information about the naive algorithm. I researched about that naive algorithm. So again, that's all about the background of our assessment and some information information that are given, and that will be all, and thank you.
Hello, I'm Ronel Hernandez. So here's my topic. Time complexity. Time complexity quantifies the amount of time taken by an algorithm to run as a function of length of the input. It is essential to estimate how efficiently an algorithm performs in terms of execution time. The the time complexity is expressed using the big O notation. This big O n, then big O n, etc. So here are the base case scenario. Of course, when the algorithm performs optimally, and for pattern searching, the best case is when the pattern is found at the very beginning of the text or very early on. So here are the examples. So we have the following text and pattern. So the pattern is found in at the very beginning of the text, the index 0. The algorithm performs a constant of number comparisons, typically on the order of bit O(n). So, wherein n is the length of the pattern. So this result in a base case time complexity of big O(n). Next is the worst case scenario. Of course, when the algorithm performs poorly. For pattern searching, the worst case is when the pattern doesn't appear in the text at all or appears only at the very end. So here are the examples. So here are the text and patterns. So the pattern doesn't appear in the text at all or appears only very end. So very end. So the algorithm performs big O n minus m plus 1 times m comparisons, where n is the length of the text, then m is the length of the pattern. So in the worst case of each position in text, the algorithm it may need to compare the entire So need to compare entire pattern against text. So pangitaon din na niya every index. So kita niya ang pattern like this. Okay? Then this results in a worst case time complexity of big O(n). So that's it.
Now let us proceed to the naive pattern search algorithm simulation. Here are the step-by-step process of the algorithm. First, the algorithm starts by aligning the pattern with the beginning of the text. Then it compares the characters of the pattern with the corresponding characters in the text, one by one. If the characters do not match, the pattern shifts one position to the right and the comparison process repeats. If all characters match, it records the position where the pattern starts in the text. This shifting and comparing continue until the pattern have been aligned with every possible position in the text. To start, let's say we have a long text dataset such as an article from a news website, and we want to search for a particular keyword or phrase within that long text. In our case, we will search the pattern of the word dog. Let us look at the first paragraph of the previously shown article's content. In the process, it said that the pattern must be aligned with the keyword in the beginning of the text. Next, compare the characters of the pattern to the characters of the text one by one. If one of the characters do not match, it will shift to the next index of the text and repeat the comparison process. However, if all the characters match, then it records the position where the pattern starts in the text. As you can see, there is another occurrence of the pattern at index 112. Hence, the index of the character will be recorded. This will be repeated until the last character of the text is compared. The last character of the text to be compared is determined by n minus m, where n is the number of characters in the text and m is the number of characters of the pattern. Test cases. 3 test cases were employed, including exact single keyword matches, multiple keyword matches, and cases with no matches. This is to test the naive pattern search algorithm in a diverse scenario. So, let's start with the single keyword matches. Consider a scenario where the article has a text of the following, and the pattern to be searched is the keyword dog. In this scenario, we iterate through the text character by character, comparing each substrings of the text with a pattern. Upon encountering the substring of dog, the algorithm successfully identifies a match, confirming the presence of the pattern within the text. This test case validates the algorithm's capability to detect a pattern occurring once within a given text. Now, let's proceed to the multiple keyword matches. And let's consider a revised scenario where the text remains unchanged. However, the pattern to be searched is now the word R. Observe its behavior when confronted with a pattern that occurs multiple times within the text. As the algorithm traverses the text, it identifies multiple occurrences of the patterns R, thereby showcasing its ability to detect and record all instances of the pattern within the text. This test case underscores the algorithm's effectiveness in handling scenarios where a pattern occurs multiple times. In this final test case, let's find the pattern cute by using the naive pattern search algorithm. The scenario where the pattern does not exist within the text, we evaluate its capacity to accurately determine the absence of a pattern. As the algorithm diligently traverses through the text, it fails to encounter the pattern cute, thus affirming its ability to correctly identify where a pattern is not present within the text. This case emphasizes the algorithm's reliability in the scenarios where the pattern does not occur. All of the text used in the test cases uses short text data. However, similar test cases can be used in large text, but it will cost more processing since the algorithm will traverse the text character by character. Results and observations. The simulation result illustrate the naive pattern search algorithm's ability to accurately identify the positions of the keywords within the text. Observations highlight the algorithm's predictability and ease of implementation, although with a noticeable performance decline as the text size increases.
So, to assess the performance of the naive pattern search algorithm, we'll run a series of tests in the Eclipse IDE to determine its efficiency and compare it to more advanced pattern matching algorithms, so such as the Knott-Morris-Pratt, or also known as the KMP, and the Boyer-Moore algorithm. We will concentrate on the 3 critical aspects, so like the temporal complexity, the average execution time, and the scalability. So here's an organized method to evaluation. So first is the implementation of the naive pattern search algorithm and other advanced pattern matching algorithm in the Eclipse IDE. The second is to perform a testing and the evaluation methods. The third is the comparison with the KMP and Boyer-Moore algorithm. And also the fourth is the result. So first, we will gonna implement the naive pattern search algorithm and the other advanced pattern matching algorithm in our Eclipse IDE. As you can see, I've already implement or compile the naive pattern search algorithm and the other advanced matching algorithm in our Eclipse IDE. Here's the naive pattern search, the KMP, and the Boyer-Moore algorithm. And the second is, as I mentioned earlier, we will gonna perform these performance testing and evaluation methods. So first, we will gonna measure the average time taken to find the pattern. And the second is to test the algorithm with the increasing text sizes to assess the performance degradation. And also, lastly, we will use the system nanotime to measure its execution time in our IDE. And the third is we will do a comparison with the KMP and Boyer-Moore algorithm. Let's compare the performance of the naive pattern search algorithm to the other advanced pattern matching algorithms in our IDE. Welcome back to our IDE. As I mentioned earlier, we're gonna compare the naive pattern search algorithm to the other advanced matching search algorithm. And also, we're gonna do the performance test. As I mentioned, we're gonna use the system nanotime to know the time execution of the algorithm. For example, I'm going to run this code. So as you can see, the naive pattern search algorithm is 700,000 nanoseconds. The KMP is 600,000 nanoseconds, and the Boyer-Moore algorithm is 900,000 nanoseconds. What if I'm gonna copy this? So as we can see, if I run this code, as you can see, the time execution of the naive pattern search algorithm is 1 million nanoseconds, while the pattern search execution time of KMP is also 1 million, but it is 400,000. And also the Boyer-Moore algorithm is 7 million. So clearly it is the naive pattern search algorithm is applicable for small text sizes. What if when I'm gonna do increase the text size? So as you can see, the naive pattern search execution time is 9 million nanoseconds, while the Boyer-Moore algorithm is only 6 million nanoseconds. It is clearly that the naive pattern search algorithm is not applicable for the larger text sizes. And also the result, we conclude that the The naive pattern search algorithm is efficient for small text sizes, and its performance degrades significantly as the text size increases. And while the KMP algorithm is more efficient than naive pattern search algorithm for larger text sizes, it is better in handling of repeated patterns within the text. Therefore, that the naive pattern search algorithm is simple and easy to implement. So making it suitable for small scale application and educational purposes. However, its performance drops significantly for large text and patterns, where more advanced algorithm like the KMP and the Boyer-Moore is outperformed.
I'll be discussing the strengths, limitations, and comparative analysis of the naive pattern search algorithm. The algorithmic strengths. Advantages of this algorithm include its simplicity and ease of implementation. The naive pattern search algorithm is straightforward to understand and build, making it an excellent educational tool. Additionally, it can be easily trained using a small dataset. However, this algorithm has significant limitations, especially in scenarios involving large text or long patterns. The performance can be a bottleneck due to its brute force nature, making it unsuitable for real-life application and require high efficiency. It's essential to recognize the naive pattern search algorithm's limitations, particularly in scenarios involving large text or patterns. The algorithm's time complexity can become slower than other, more efficient searching algorithms. In our comparative analysis, we highlight the need for optimization strategies, employing more efficient string search algorithms, such as the Knuth-Morris-Pratt or the KMP algorithm or the Boyer-Moore algorithm, might be necessary to address the performance bottlenecks of the naive pattern search algorithm. In conclusion, while the naive pattern search algorithm is an excellent tool for educational purposes and small-scale applications due to its simplicity, it is crucial to consider more advanced algorithms for larger texts and patterns to ensure efficient performance. Our first reference is from Geeks for Geeks, titled Naive Algorithm for Pattern Searching. This article provides a comprehensive view of the naive pattern search algorithm, detailing its mechanics and practical applications. Our second reference is an insightful Medium post by Mukesh Tumapala from 2019, titled Naive Algorithm on Pattern Searching. Tumapala dives into the nuances of the algorithm, highlighting its strengths and limitations in real-world scenarios. We also draw upon foundational works by Boyer and Moore, specifically their 1977 publication, called A Fast String Searching Algorithm. This landmark paper introduces the Boyer-Moore algorithm, which significantly improves pattern searching efficiency. Finally, we reference the seminal paper by Knuth, Morris, and Pratt, called Fast Pattern Matching in Strings. The Knuth-Morris-Pratt, or also known as the KMP algorithm, is another pivotal development that offers significant improvements over the naive pattern search approach. These references not only provide the theoretical foundation of our study, but also offers a broad spectrum of perspective on pattern search algorithms. That is it for our assessment. Thank you for watching our video report on the naive pattern search algorithm. We hope you found it informative and insightful.